Hey guys, Steve Welch here, Beeman Toyota in Nashville. Want to show you guys something that's pretty cool. You can actually set reminders within your Toyota. So it's actually pretty easy. I'm in a Sienna now, but most of them are very, very close to it. So, you can set reminders on your head unit, and I'm going to show you how to do that right now. Very, very easy to do. So, hit your menu button right here. Once you hit your menu, come over to setup. All right, setup, we're going to come down to vehicle right here, and then you're going to come into maintenance. Once you hit this maintenance mode, you're going to be able to see, you can turn on or off your reminder, which is right here. All right, but then you can go, all right, well, I want to know engine oil. Well, do you want to change it at a date or a distance? All right, well, let's say I want to change it at a distance. 10,000 miles is what Toyota says. So I'm going to hit OK, and I've got a reminder now that the engine oil will pop up. Right now, you can come down here, you can hit personal, and you can put, mom's birthday, right? And you can say, I want to have mom down here, and then what date, or sorry, you want to have what date. You could do 10/10/22, right? And then you can come back through and boom, there's mom's birthday, right? And now it's going to show that. It's going to remind you that mom comes up here. If you don't want that, pop back into it like I just did. You want to delete it? Yes. So you can go in and you can delete them, you can add them. If you want to remember to change your wipers, you can say, all right, well, every 5,000 miles, I'm going to change my wipers. Boom, hit it here. Now you can change your wipers. Transmission, tires. Well, when do you rotate your tires? You rotate your tires every 5,000 miles, right? So it's going to give you a rotation. And you can set all of these things in here. You can also hit this button that says delete all. Or, you can add other personal ones if you want to in there. So you can remember your wife's birthday. You can remember mom's birthday. You can remember that, something that you needed to do. But it's very easy to set a reminder. Set it right here. The vehicle will remind you when that particular thing comes back up to know that it's there. If you want to delete them all, boom, hit this. Everything will pop off and all of your reminders are gone. So that's how you set maintenance reminders or individual reminders in your Toyota. Steve Welch, Beeman Toyota in Nashville. You guys have a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye.